Morning. Alright, so it's time for our workout. So remember, we've got our 5 cardio exercises, 5 lower body, 5 upper body and abs. And each exercise we're doing for 50 seconds with a 10 seconds rest to get ready for the next one. We're going to go through all 15, then we're going to have a minute's rest, and then we're going to go again. So starting with our in and out jumps. If you've got a band, pop it on for these. If you don't, just jump your legs in and out. And let's go, shall we? If the timer didn't crash. Alright, so we've just got a couple of seconds. Ready? Let's go. So legs in and out. And we're just jumping out into a squat. So try and get as low as you can in the squat. Low as we can. 20 more seconds. Almost there. Alright, and then we've got elbow to opposite knee jumps. So we're going to jump and we're going to tap the opposite elbow to the knee in the air. Ready? Let's go. So we're going down, and as we jump up, you're going to elbow to opposite knee. So think about like crunching in the air. Twenty more seconds. 15 more seconds. Alright, and then we have got 3 mountain climbers and a jump. Ready? Let's go. The knees nice and high. And then jump up to the top. And then we've got tricep dips walks. So we're going to do a dip, we're going to walk 3 times. Ready? So fingers facing you, dip it down. 3 walks. Keep it moving. Ten more seconds. Ooh, and then we've got backward lunges to high knee jumps. So we're going to lunge it back and we're going to jump our leg up. And then we'll swap to the other side. Ready? Let's go. Lunge it. Jump it up, and then swap to the other side. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. Alright, and then we're on to legs. So we've got abductor squat, so knees in and out twice, and then into our squat. Ready? Knees in and out, up to the top. Fifteen more seconds. Power through. And then we've got frog glute bridges, so bottoms of your feet together, pull your knees apart, up and squeeze at the top. Let's go. Really squeeze your bum at the top. Alright, and then we have got single leg glute bridges. So we're going to do 25 seconds each side. So one foot on the floor, up and squeeze with the other one. If you really struggle with these, just do normal glute bridges with your feet on the floor. Ready? Let's go. Up and squeeze that one. High as you can. And the other side, weight in the heel, up and squeeze. Alright, and then we've got 10 seconds, and then we're going into knees to squat, so pop your band on if you've got one. Starting with our knees, and we're going to go up into our squat and come back down. Swapping the side each time. So squat, other side. Try and stay as low as you can in the squat. Ten more seconds. Alright, we got 10 seconds to get ready. And then we're going into donkey kickbacks and fire hydrants. So keep your band on if you've got one. 25 seconds each side. So back and squeeze and out to the side. the other side. Alright, and then we've got our upper body, so onto the reverse dish and lift and press up. So onto your front, we're lifting up our arms and our legs, and then we're going into a press up. So up and squeeze, hands to the floor, press up. Alright, and then we've got ab cycles. So onto your back, elbow to the opposite knee. Let's go. More seconds. And then we have got shoulder press up, so bum nice and high in our down dog position, and into the press ups. Go. Alright, and then we have got light and toe reaches, so legs up in the air, reaching up to our toes. Let's go. And then last one, we have got leg tucks and leg raises. So we're going to do leg raise, leg tuck, back to back. Let's go. Push lower back into the floor, leg raise, leg tuck. we've got a 1 minute breather, so take your time, have a rest, get a drink, and then we're going again from the beginning. So just take your time, have a little rest. Alright, we've got 10 seconds, now we're back into our in and out jumps. Let's go, knees in and out. So remember, legs are in, we're jumping out into a squat. Keep it moving. More seconds. And then we've got elbows to opposite knee jumps. Ready? Let's go. So jump up, tap the opposite elbow, off the knee. And then we've got 3 mountain climbers and a jump. Okay, we ready? Jump it up. And then we've got tricep dip walks. So dip, 3 walks, dip. Ready? Let's go up to the top, bend at your elbows, 3 walks, dip, take it back. Dip. Dip. Alright, 10 seconds, and then we've got our backward lunges to a jump. So remember to swap leg each side. Let's go. Backward lunge, jump it up, other side. And then we're on to our legs, so we've got our abductor squats. So knees in and out twice into your squat. Let's go, squat it down, knees in and out, up to the top. Keep it going. More seconds. And then we've got frog glute bridges, so bottoms of your feet together into your frog. Ready? Let's go, knees apart, up and squeeze, almost touch the floor. We've got single leg glute bridges. So one leg down, we're going to up and squeeze, 25 seconds each side. Let's go. And the other side, weighting your heel, up and squeezing. Knees, and remember to alternate your legs so you do both sides. And then we've got 25 seconds each side to kick back some fire hydrants. So kick into the back and then take it to the side. Ready? Let's go. reverse dish lift and press up, so onto your front, lifting it up, and then into a press up. Ready? Alright, 10 seconds and then we've got ab cycles. Let's go. Elbow to the opposite knee. We have got shoulder press up, so remember bum nice and high. Let's go. Into your down dog position. Work your shoulders. Take it as low as you can. Ten more seconds. Alright, and then we've got lion toe reaches, so legs up in the air, reach to your toes. Let's go, reach up. Alright, and then we've got leg raises and leg tucks, so last exercise and then we're all done. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Leg raise, leg tuck. So legs out in front, reach forward over your toes, stretch it out. And then bring the bottoms of your feet together, push it out, lead out and down with your elbows. Cross one leg over the top, look the other way. And the other side, cross it over, look around. And then we're going to go into a forward lunge. Straighten your legs up. And the other side. Straighten it up. Hands to the floor, push your hips down. Sit back to your heels. And then pull one arm across. And the other side. Arm up and over. And the other side. And there we go, we're all there.